Hi, my name's Gary and I'm the manager here at the RSL car wash. With the new machines, I think the one thing that's amazed me is that we've had very little negative feedback on the price increase. Value for money has been very impressive. The quality of the finish in the combination wash is just second to none. Really impressive.
I'm Sarah Sutherland. I'm the Chief Financial Officer here at RSL Club. I manage a variety of club areas which include all our external businesses, so the car wash falls under that remit. During the sales process, WashTec were fantastic, very professional, very efficient. They listened to our needs. We had some dated equipment, we were looking for state-of-the-art technology and a solid maintenance plan, which is exactly what's been delivered. I have noticed since we installed the machines a delightful increase in revenue. Majority of our customers are using the CombiWash, which is a new facility for those customers. They're enjoying it and they're paying an extra $8 per wash, which is a 50% uplift on previous prices. So overall, it's a solid investment and it's doing very well. We changed from the touch-free to the combination. It's shown huge benefits. Over 50% of our customers are using that CombiWash. They are prepared to pay a bit extra and they are getting a much better experience. So it's been a great decision.
I come from a business background, and to me, to build a successful business, there's only one way, and that's repeat business. So you're only as good as your last performance. So that's what we're all about here. The quality of the wash, value for money, that's what brings our customers back. That's what builds our revenue. That's why we opted for these machines. Also knowing that major dealerships have got them in their sites for the quality, ease of installation and pricing. That's the way I see it.
Dealing with WashTec, they listened to all of our needs, and partway through the project we decided to replace our vacuums. They came to the table with that and they made the extra effort to install those at the same time as we were installing the main equipment. So it meant our site was down for much less time, and overall it gave us a much better result. So very happy, would highly recommend WashTec to anybody.